This is from the last video. I dropped the phone and pressed the power off button. So yeah, it kind of turned off, but don't worry, again, both videos. And let's go. Ooh. I'm also going to be jumping around on a trampoline because I'm on one and I want to have some fun. So let's do it. I tried to upload like 10 videos today. 9 of them, there's only toxic players. And that was all in Gorilla Tag. I tried to upload videos. Now I can't because then I have a toxic player here. Running. Oh, the phone. Oh my gosh, I think I caught that. I think I barely even caught that. Oh my gosh. All these like booms and pops. Oh, I caught that one. Oh my gosh, over there's going off. We went over there more than the other place I was just showing you. Because, red, white, and green. Oh, that's like red, white, and blue. We got the Patriotics in house. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm jumping. Oh my gosh. We're backing up. Right there. Got him. You can see these more clearly, but before I start showing you over there. Oh, I'm sorry if I missed that. But over there is popping off like crazy. But over here is popping off like crazy. Over there is popping off more. I'm scared that a cat's gonna get on the trampoline. I'm gonna hit him. Over there's done. But over there, right? I'm sorry for the shaking. I'm trying to keep it still. I'm very, very sorry. Oh, yeah. Wait, is a massive show going on? I can't tell. Oh my gosh, dude, the moon or the sun is over there. That's cool. But fireworks are better. Okay, we got from over there. Over there's pop going off. I'm sorry, my parents won't allow me to pop fireworks until 4th of July. We don't have very much, but the one I will be popping off is Road Rage. It's gonna be one that's really cool. I already know what it looks like because the shop shows exactly what all the fireworks look like. I think a lot of people that are popping off these fireworks now and yesterday are rich people. Whoa. We got sparkling lights. No, over there. That's a red moon. Yeah, did those red moons tonight. But that's cool. We're gonna catch that. We're gonna catch the red. Wait, I was just realizing that coming up very slowly. Whoa. Your kids yelling over there, like, come on, Dad, pop some more. We also get that beautiful red moon. And when we record over there, like, that red moon, I didn't notice tonight, but should have been on 4th of July. Oh yeah, that also will be recording my birthday too, so don't worry. I'm going to be doing my birthday special by getting some shiny rocks. We're going to be getting $10 worth of shiny rocks on my birthday, which is July 20th, so yeah, excited for that. That's up and coming. Oh my gosh, dude, this earth is turning. If you think that that everything revolves around us, you are stupid, because it doesn't. Oh, I missed it. I like the ones that go real high. They go high. I got like a spider web stuck on me. Oh, over here, calm down. Hello? Never mind, as soon as I say that, then it starts going off. Literally, as soon as I say that. Like, not even a joke. That's not even a joke, dude. Like, in real life, it looks so cool. But in real life, I know. Oh my gosh, dude. From right there, I don't know if you can see my hand. From right there and over there, if you can see my hand, over there, they did the exact same fireworks. Exact same time. Oh, right there. Right there. Look at that. My sister just got home from work, so. Oh my gosh, it's over there too. Over there. Over there. Over there. We're not from there now. That's our new contender. Over there has been popping off the most. I think the most fireworks. Oh my gosh. That's so loud in real life. I don't think y'all guys know how loud that is in real life. Oh my gosh. Then red moon. It's a 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 red moon. Oh my gosh. This is so epic. Over there, starting to kind of light up the area. Don't know if you can see them. Like the smaller ones. You can do small. But over there is doing the move. Sounds like someone coming from over there. Oh, I don't care. As long as there's mostly fireworks. Oh, fireworks! If I see fireworks, I'm stopping record. I'm running around the trampoline. Okay, the fireworks have been spotted. I'm the change flower left hand. It's gonna be even more shaky. Oh my gosh! But does that even care? Oh, sorry, I was stopping you. I don't even think you saw. Yeah, no, there's stuff going on over there too. There's stuff going on around. I'm trying to film all of it. Don't know if I caught that one. Oh, I definitely caught that one though. I'll stop moving because I know y'all just want to see the fireworks. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this might be the most fireworks I've ever gotten. Fireworks 2, fireworks 3. They're gonna be popping up. Next year, I'm gonna get raw. I was gonna get Trash Panda, but no, that one costs $32 with tanks. But no, this one costs $22. The one that I'm gonna pop. Look at the red moon. Fireworks going on over there. I'm jumping. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Oh, I'm so sorry I missed. Okay, yeah, no, I think right here is our best bet. Right here is our best bet. Just for the fireworks. Just for the fireworks. Just for the fire. Because they're popping up some ones. Oh, no. So I'm going to be like, oh my gosh, right there. Oh my gosh, right there. Oh my gosh, right there. Oh my gosh, I'm right there. Sounds like shots. If you like fireworks, comment down firework emoji down below. If there even is one, if there's not, then just comment firework. Honey, over there's gonna go off now. The big show's over. They only did like 3 big shows. Cause I came out here first, see the fireworks, and I was like, oh my gosh, there's so many of them. So I have to record this for this video. Oh my gosh, back there is actually popping off more. Oh, I caught that. I says, oh my gosh. Runs right there. Over here is our best bet. Over here is also a good bet. Our neighbors are home. Oh my gosh, our neighbors. Our neighbors are home. So that means they might also pop fireworks right now. They might be popping some fireworks. Oh my gosh, look how big that one. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to see some of them. Definitely gonna hear them. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm missing a couple. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm missing. Sorry, I have to turn back and forth. I keep having to turn back and forth. Dude, this is very hard. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. And that's just pure beauty. Just pure beauty. Bada. Sorry, I thought I saw some. But you're just gonna be seeing fireworks. No one cares about that area over there. Oh my gosh, so sorry I missed that. I'm so sorry I missed that. There's a couple of fireworks over there. I want to see if I can see them. No. I mean, if I zoom in. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh, now we actually can see them. Now you guys can actually see them close up. Over there's popping off the most right now, so I'm gonna record there. Oh, it's not recording there. And so I have a very shaky hand. This is why I was tempted to do YouTube, like vlogs like this. I mean, is this technically a vlog? I mean, yes it is, so. Bro, this is so beautiful. In real life, it just smells like smoke. If you could smell through YouTube, I would feel so bad for you because all I can smell is smoke. I can smell smoke. Oh, it smells like smoke and poo out here, like horse poo, cow poo, because our neighbors, because those neighbors have horses, then those neighbors have cows. It smells like crap out here. Like literal crap. What the heck? Our neighbor just got home. Sorry if I'm drifting over. Trying my best here. It's kind of hard though. Oh, look at that one. Oh no, I missed it. Oh no, oh my gosh, no. The zoom in feature is cool. Over here is starting to pop off more. Oh, now it's just coming up at all. Just gotta zoom out just a little bit. Stopping the blob. So why you caught that one in the act? I'm catching this one in the act. Oh my gosh, all of our neighbors just arrived. Well, not over there, but over there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Boom. They're going straight up. Over there is definitely more active. But over here. Oh no, I missed that one. You can still kind of see it though. That's kind of okay, right? Back up, buddy. Back up. I found it. I can hear kids screaming for their lives. Horse! There's a horse right there. I have more interest in fireworks. This is a firework part 3. Do I hear the ones that go like, you know, the ones that go and like shoot up and keep on shooting? Life 360, I don't care. I don't even know what Life 360 is. Oh my gosh. Sorry about that. Oh, boom. Over here is definitely the most active place that we've seen all night long, guys. Can't you believe it? The most active place. Oh my gosh, bro. I want to sit down. But of course it says nah. You're not allowed to sit down. You're just not. It's just like illegal to. I have that zoomed in as much as possible, so it's not like blobs. Oh wait. 3.2 is what I had it at. 3.2 is still kind of blurry, but 4.2. Okay, sorry. Okay. Focus. Focus. Alright, I'm just tired. Holy. There's a horse. Okay. I missed out. My arms hurt. Bro. Did we get fireworks? Bro, over there's more popcorn. I need to see if the big show's going on. Okay, it's not. Oh my gosh, where am I? Well, this is gonna be the end of this one. I'm sorry, my arms are getting tired. I wish I could film more, but it's also calmed down. So leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more, leave a comment down below of a firework emoji. If you like fireworks and want to see more. Bye.